What's up, YouTube? It's Bullseye Nate 231, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the brake light bulb in a Toyota 4Runner. This will be exactly the same on models 2003 through 2009, and very similar for all other Toyota models, SUVs, and things like that. So to get started, I want to show you the bulb here. The only tool you're going to need is a screwdriver. But this is the bulb you're going to need to be replacing. It is the bulb code is 7443. So I got a Sylvania, a long life bulb to replace it, but that's the one you're going to need if you bulb code 7443 if you need to change your brake light. So what you're going to do is, you can see the brake light. I'm in the rear of the vehicle. Brake light is right here, and there's 3 bulbs in there. You've got your blinker slash flasher, you got your reverse light, and you got your brake light. My brake light is the one that's actually out, so that's which one I'm going to change. If you look here, you'll see there is a little panel here, which this one's a little nicked up. Somebody must have been in there before. But anyway, you see there's a little notch right here, and that's designed for your screwdriver, so you can just pop that out like that. And this comes right off, and then it goes back on, just snaps right back in. But if you look in here, you're going to see 3 bulbs. So you got the bottom one, which is the reverse light. You got the one above it, which is the brake light, and then the one above that one is the blinker bulb. Okay, so we're just changing the brake today. So we're going to reach in there, and I'm going to turn it like so. I turned it to the left, and you can see it comes right out. All right, now we can see that bulb is pretty burnt up. So actually it looks like this might have been getting hot. So this bulb is shorted out. So the way this comes out is you just pull it right out. Then if you look on the glass, you'll see that has the code there. 7443, it's the bulb code. So this one's almost black compared to these clear ones right here. So I'm gonna open up this pack, get a new one out. All right, so I got a fresh bulb here. And so basically what you're gonna wanna do is just make sure you line up the contacts. So you see the metal pieces in there. You're gonna see metal on the bottom of the bulb. You're gonna make sure that that metal aligns with how it's going into the socket. So I'll put it in just like that. All right, and just snaps in like so. And then the bulb is ready to be reinstalled back into its position. So what you're gonna want to do is just turn this to find where the notches are, and then you'll hear it pop like that. Make sure it's secure, it looks good. And then you have successfully changed your brake light bulb. So I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, if you need to change your blinker, it's just the top one. If you need to change your reverse lights, it's the bottom one. It's pretty simple. Really nice that they give you access to it, this panel. You don't have to take the light out or anything. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all next time.